Godzilla. Oh. Alright. Come on, mate. You just made me run like 100-meter dash. Yeah, well, we need to, like, get to our airplane before Godzilla, wakes up. Or why couldn't we just invite him? Because, he's annoying. Well, yeah, mate, but, whatever, just drag me on the airplane, mate. Man, do I have to drag you everywhere? Man, I shouldn't have gone camping. Man, dude. Ow. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go back home and, check my phone's notifications. Okay, so. Let's see. Man. Let's see. Crap, what does this all say? Oh no, don't turn off. Let's see. They went to Osaka Bay without me? Well, now what? What do I do? I got an idea. Okay. Here we are at the local scrapyard. You guys may not know what I'm doing here, but I know exactly what I'm doing here. Wait, why am I talking to you guys now? I'm supposed to be staying within the realm of the plush world. I mean, sure, I break the fourth wall sometimes, like, and, sneak peek of, Godzilla's video game, but still. Okay. Stay in the plush world. Stay in the plush word. Wait, what? No, not word. War. Oh my god. I got all of it here. Oh. In fact, I actually managed to get all of this to stay in one box. Well, now I just need to... I just need to build it. I'm in pain. Okay. Oh, finally. I made my stand up. I made my friend. I call him MFS Type 3 Kiryu, or just Type 3 Kiryu for short, because he doesn't have the guns on his shoulders. Yep. Well, now time to program him. Okay, so now after coding it, he should start talking or moving any moment. Oh wait, I need to charge him. That's what I need to do. Come here. Okay, so we got the charging station, but where am I gonna plug this in? But I could, oh no. Camera, make sure to censor this. Well, I'm just gonna go to sleep and just wake up tomorrow to see what happens. This is fine. I smell it. I smell radiation. Get me out of this bag. Oh, Joe. Okay, actually, I can already get out of this bag. I smell radiation. Where's the radiation? Where is it? Man, I thought I smelled radiation. Of course, my life is a failure. And, okay, I smell it again. It's radiation. It's radiation. Oh, dear Lord. Okay. Hang on. I got him off camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, now I'm done. Kiryu, is that you?
Yes, it is me.
Oh, cool, and you have a little robot voice.
Yeah, you programmed it into me.
Right. Yeah, I guess I did program it into you, but, yeah. Well, you know what we should do?
What?
When, my friends get back from, their, trip from Osaka Bay, Japan, they didn't even invite me. They didn't even wake me up.
Oh, gee, that sucks.
Yeah, I mean, it sucks, but, so I should, show them to you, and, you should, throw a ninja star at their face.
If that's what makes you happy, I will.
Okay, bet. Man, dude, that trip was so fun. Right, Godzilla? Or am I? You guys stop making me run 100 meters. Oh, you're fine. Well, oh, look, it's Godzilla. Hey, guys. Godzilla? Yeah? Oi, Godzilla. What is that? robot.
I am MFS Type 3 Kiryu, or Kiryu.
Yeah, and we made a plan. Right, Kiryu?
Indeed, we did.
Yeah, so, go with the plan. Oh, wait, what?